Hi, I'm Sandy with the Frame Group. Today we'll be cycling your Groen steam jacketed tabletop mixing kettle. We recommend reading the manual in its entirety before powering up the machine. It is currently set to single phase 240 volts.